Hey, what's up, guys? Good morning. Well, I guess you don't know what time it is, but I'm on my way to Giant, and I'm just gathering up some supplies, you know, food and stuff to eat for the rest of the week, and grabbing some of the stuff for the vegan mac and cheese competition that I will be in. So I just want you guys, you know, I thought I'd bring you guys along, show you some of the options that Giant has to offer, and yeah, that's it. Let's go. Alright guys, so I made it to Giant. Now we're about to walk in and see what they got in here for us to try that's vegan. Let's go in. They have like tiny little coconuts in here. That's pretty cool. You don't see this at many markets. Got a aloe leaf. I see a lot of people are into that. It's not something for me. I've never had one of these. Let me know in the comments below if you had a star fruit. Look, this is freaking cool. An actual sugar cane. I never seen one of these in the store. I believe that would be organic. And vegan. Oh, these are pretty soft. They're probably no good. How you pick your avocados? I get mine before they're ripe, so I can know that they're ripe when I eat them. So they got loads of produce and go for the certified organic bananas. There's a whole section dedicated to us in here. These field roast sausage are pretty good. You guys never had them before. I think I'll grab some of this. I'm going to make a pretty awesome sausage and gravy and biscuits. That's perfect for it. Be careful with this brand. It's going to say vegan or it's going to say lactose free. Make sure you get the vegan one. That's a tempeh. Is this the thing they use for that bacon? Also have your chow slices. Tofu. I don't really do tofu too much. Chaba. This coconut. Plenty of vegan options for you. This has to be the largest size of hummus I've ever seen. If you know me, you know I love hummus. I don't see my favorite one yet. Oh, there it is. Which one is your favorite? $5? That's still good. Have your maple syrup. See the price? Maple syrup is pretty expensive. Got some molasses, some agave. Agave is really good. It's really natural. Some more molasses. Chia seeds. This is some plant-based protein right here. Really good protein. Coconut sugar, chia seeds. You got your organic cane sugar, which would be vegan. Got your liquid aminos down here at the bottom here. Coconut liquid aminos. That's pretty cool. The anti-spicy mustard is like out of this world. This is the spicy. I'll find that one. So the anti brands have a whole bunch of different things. Like this one here, that's going to be vegan because it says dairy free on it. But this one wouldn't be. I guess Amy's just like kind of catered towards vegetarians, you know. Has tofu scramble.
Hi, how are you?
Hey, how's it going? That's your pot pie. I wonder is that vegan? Let's do some research. I've been wanting a pot pie. Let's see if Amy's left me in there. Nope. Sweet Earth General Soul Tofu. $4.99. Not a bad bargain. Vegan yogurt. A whole bunch of different varieties. I love Kite Hill. Kite Hill is awesome. They even have some Daya yogurt. And the showstopper. People keep saying Daya cheese sucks. But if you get this Daya right here, it's like awesome. This is the best. It melts. I need to buy a couple. Vegan mac and cheese competition. Kind of stocked up. Stocked up. Just up. Make sure I got it. Get one. Also, they come with flax milk, rice milk, and ripple. Plenty of milk here. All different types: cashew, coconut, almond breeze. This is the Giant brand. It's kind of at eye level. I guess I want you guys to buy their brand. It's probably more profitable. But it's just loads and loads of dairy-free milk, which is awesome. You can have some for the little ones. Want to get some for your kids? So Delicious seems to be marketing towards kids here. That one's not vegan, sorry. There's a load of Levi bars. These are the chocolate bites. Just look at all that stuff. Look at this. Freaking puffins. Everybody knows it says it right on the label. So this brand's good to go. Any more vegan options here? Luminos. Also have the fig bars. Those are gonna be vegan. They have pretzel sticks. These are actually gluten free. This whole aisle is gluten free. And let's see, down here we have some kale chips. It's a pretty good price. Got plenty of veggie straws. Even have some catered towards kids. It's pretty awesome. I love getting some tortilla chips. So much stuff you can do with it. Got your pretzels by the dozens. Unfrosted Pop-Tarts are actually vegan, just in case you didn't know. They don't contain the gelatin that the other counterpart does. Plenty of canned veggies, fruit. It's always good to have, even if you don't eat it all right now. Applesauce, it's great egg alternative, and bacon. So peanut butter powder is great for your vegan shakes. I put peanut butter powder in most of my shakes, especially if I use certain brands that taste kind of chalky. Vegan broth base or bouillon. I have another savory vegan broth, which is awesome. This Giant has like a load of vegan options here. Like you can pretty much find just about anything you want to make several different meals. If you can't make it to a regular, a Whole Foods or a Mom's Organic Market or Roots or any of that, they have your back. Just make sure you have "Is it vegan" loaded onto your phone. They even have vegetarian cornmeal mix. Get that. Earth Balance, $4.39. It's a little high here, but that's cool. We also have, it's not butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Sorry, I couldn't get the name out. 2 for $5, not too bad. Didn't really like it. I didn't really like it. It came out really soft, and it's kind of cool for bacon though. I wouldn't use it for like sauteing it. Plenty of almond milk. Even gallons. Like this is crazy. Well, I guess it's a gallon. It's close to it. Let's call it a gallon to make us feel better. Almond, coconut, almond, cashew, soy milk. anything you can think of. Check that out. Plenty of garden. Love those chicken sliders. They're like amazing. Turkey cutlets, chicken. That chicken, if you wrap it up in some rice paper and fry it, it's amazing. This is like good for your stir fries. Beyond Meat crumbles. That's what I use in my lasagna video coming up. Some more Sweet Earth. All this stuff here is going to be vegan. Got your beast burger. Not really a big fan of that one. All the Dr. Predators down here. That's going to be vegan as well. Even more Boca. Some of the Morningstar stuff is vegan, as you see on the front. We'll say 100% vegan, and then some will say 100% vegetarian. I want to stay away from the vegetarian ones. Probably just want to stay away from the brand in general. Plenty of fries. Y'all know this is like every vegan's weakness. Well, most of us. Can't speak for everyone. How cool is this? Although it's not vegan, this is pretty freaking cool. Frozen junk treat. Coconut bliss ice cream. It's pretty cool. It's vegan. This has on there. Ice cream. Plenty of coconut bliss. Got your dairy-free Ben & Jerry's. Got your dairy-free Breyers.
It's done. Probably right behind, right to
Plenty
your
more
left,
So
right
Delicious.
Here. Like if you look over here, Mom, look, here's some blueberries right there.
Check it out. I'm not too sure how I feel about freaking frozen avocados. This is like, I don't think I would purchase this. Yeah, I'm fresh. Plenty of other frozen fruits. Veggies. You gotta watch these veggies that say lightly sauce. Most of those are not gonna be vegan. It's gonna have like a milk base, a butter base. Believe it or not, this gem right here is vegan. This cherry one too. Yeah. I mean, cherry one also is vegan. Let's see. I believe these two. Let me actually look. A lot of this stuff is on Peter's website. It came out to be vegan. Of course, that one wouldn't be. It has butter in it. Got some nice soup bowls and noodle bowls. All seem to be vegan. This one says it right there. That one says it there. And I'm not sure where that one said it, but I think I read it on the back. Plenty of the Hampton Creek Just Mayo brand here. All this stuff's gonna be vegan. It's priced pretty fairly. Well, looks like Hellman's is clearly trying to compete with Just Mayo, even though Just Mayo tastes way better. Way better. Go to Just Mayo, pay the extra $1. Even more. Look awesome sauce, so you know it's good. Looks like they have some of the Dave's bread here. I love Dave's Killer Bread. It's high in protein, and most of them are vegan, if not all. I'm not 100% sure. Plenty of Dea pizza right here in Giant, which is awesome. Amy's has a vegan variety of vegan pizza right here. They also have some without cheese. I don't see it. Here we go. Right there. Bam. Has anybody ever had this? This is vegan as well. Just never decided to get it. Well, we're all done, as you guys seen. Just wanted to show you guys just how many options there was at your local market. I typically shop here, Mom's, Trader Joe's, Roots. I kind of mix it up because I like the different selection at everywhere. Roots has to be my favorite market. If it was close, I would probably go there every day and go broke because they have an amazing hot bar. The hot bar has just about everything you could ever want on it. So it's like, you know, say you go to the market and you're hungry, they have a hot bar there that's 100% vegan and you can get whatever you want on it. I'm going to do a full review of that market pretty soon. So just stay tuned for that one. Until next time, guys, eat grass, not ass. Make sure you share this with your friends. Have a good one.